put all of our measurements. We're going to go ahead and we're going to set the pressure on the gauge. So what we're going to do is go ahead and lock this in, and we're going to go ahead and take a look around the house to determine how much or where the air leakage locations are. Okay? So one of the things that we utilize, obviously, is the infrared camera. So as the fan is working, we're able to start seeing where areas of air is leaking in the residence. And as you can see, the camera is going to show very clearly where missing insulation is in the walls. And if there's an air leakage location, like let's say around a switch plate or an outlet, you're going to start to see these types of patterns. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and change the palette into a color palette, so it might bring a little more reference to the condition where the air is coming in. And let's try black and white and see how that works. And you can probably see some of the streaks that are appearing around the outlet. A lot of times this will show up a little bit more in an exterior wall. And some of the big factors have to do with what is the temperature outside, but you can see some light streaks that appear around that. Also, not uncommon for around can lights, and you can see those streaking patterns that are appearing on the around this can light. Now that's actually air leakage that's coming in around through the attic, and some of the ideas on this is installing a gasket, and so that you can get proper air sealing around that. So around your outlets and often around your doors themselves, you'll get air leakage that'll appear, and you can start to see some of the streaking that's appearing on the top of this door with the infrared camera. And those are all areas that can be caulked and sealed, and it'll help prevent your air infiltration. The idea, once again, is to bring yourself to an ENERGY STAR guideline, which is about 3.5 to 5 air changes an hour, and the end result is you're going to save utility dollars, which helps your bottom line.